all I did was just take one piece of hair. I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna add it in. Real quick before we start, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the braid wrap. And this is what I'm gonna use to help me for today, just for the tutorial. Another thing that you're going to need for sure, is just some pre-stretched hair. Y'all see it? It's pre-stretched already. Pre-stretched. This is another thing that you're going to need, is some pre-stretched hair, guys. It makes the process way easier, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just get me a couple pieces. I'm only doing 2, right? I'm only doing 2 braids. I don't really need that much. And it all depends on the size that I want, okay? So I am only taking a few pieces out. All right. And then I'm going to show you guys what y'all need again as well. So this is something else that I use. I like to kind of dip my comb in it and just get what I need. Right now, all I need is a little bit. This might even be too much, but I'm only gonna get a little bit, guys. Probably not gonna use all this at all. Just a little bit, and then I'm going to, I usually put mine like on a piece of disposable paper right after I put it on top, and then I'll just throw that piece of paper away. So I went ahead and added little product, and I am just sectioning out the hair. Remember, this is a wig doll head, so it won't be as perfect as we would like, as it would be like on a human being. Let me not use that. I'll use this. All right. So this is how to do a knotless braid. I'm just going ahead and section it out in 3. See this, guys? Just 3. 3. See it? I section the hair out in 3. All right, guys. Now I'm going to take the hair, position my fingers like this to go ahead and braid. All I did was just braid it once, braid it twice, braid it 3 times. All I did was just braid it once, braid it twice, braid it 3 times. Now I'm going to add in the hair. You see this, guys? All I did was just take one piece of hair. I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna add it in. Mind you, this is the same video that I have on my TikTok page, but I'm just going ahead and doing another one just strictly for YouTube, so you guys can have the more detailed version. This is the amount of hair that I have in my hand, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna braid it again. I'm gonna take another piece. See the piece? I'm gonna take another one, add it in. And now I'm just flipping it over, and I'm just braiding. I do want y'all to know that there are different ways to do knotless braids, okay? So this is not the only way. I have 2 different versions, 2 different ones. So you see right here, I'm gonna leave it. This is how the knotless braids look, right here, the knotless braid. And you see I didn't really have to use that much product at all. I just put the product right here, just a little bit, and I was able to still get that sleek look, right? So now I'm going to add on the piece of hair. I'll show you guys exactly how that goes so the hair can be longer.